In today's English video, going to show you how to create your own WhatsApp sticker. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First, open Play Store and search WhatsApp sticker. After that, scroll down and tap on this green application and download this app. Now open this app. Tap on plus icon. Now tap on regular. Now select any image for sticker. Now tap dot on top right create button. Add a name. Now tap on add to WhatsApp. Now go to WhatsApp and check. Here you can see the sticker has arrived. In this way, you can make your own stickers for WhatsApp. Please subscribe my channel. See you Nana's video.